The Loniko Tankless Smart Toilet delivers a sleek one-piece design with a built-in bidet that feels far more like a spa fixture than a basic bathroom appliance. Its heated seat, adjustable warm water wash, and gentle warm air drying create a very comfortable and hygienic routine that is easy to customize for different users. Automatic lid opening by radar, foot sensor control for hands-free use, and a strong yet quiet siphonic flush make everyday trips noticeably more convenient and sanitary. The built-in bidet wand offers separate posterior and feminine wash options, plus a moving massage mode, then cleans itself after each use to maintain hygiene with little effort. A color-changing ambient light strip, inner bowl nightlight, clear display, and simple rotary knob or wireless remote control make the toilet surprisingly intuitive to use even in the dark. Extra touches like air purification with an integrated fan, flame-resistant seating materials, water-resistant construction, and backup flushing options show that Loniko has thought carefully about safety and reliability.